Okay, today's video, money stories, how Jamie and Sarah made thousands. So let's get into the video. Today's agenda, early life, career, achievements, lessons learned. So early life, Jamie and Sarah started their entrepreneurial journey from an early age. For Jamie, his first experience came from shadowing his parents who bought and helped him renovate a foreclosed property whilst he was studying at university. He proceeded to manage that property, renting the rooms out to his students, which led him to meeting Sarah in the same house. Now, career. As I said, beginning with Jamie starting off as a junior landlord whilst at university, that was until his parents sold the property after he had graduated. But then, by that time, he had met Sarah, and him and Sarah began a successful wedding photography business, which at its height had generated £150,000 in a year. Flipping houses and reselling. Then continuing to expand into other business ventures included flipping distressed houses they lived in and renovated for a profit, which was a success. And then they also did an online reseller business, which was basically purchasing items from Amazon that had been returned. And then these were all on pallets, and then reselling the items online on various different platforms, which was also a success. With the success of their early business ventures, which included many other side hustles which they were also doing, with the success of their early business ventures, they began documenting their results on YouTube, which grew a lot of attention online, eventually becoming an additional income stream by itself. And as a result, that became another source of income. Achievements. So, did you know paying £7,150 for pallets of returned Amazon items resulted in Jamie and Sarah generating £19,500 in profit from reselling them? With a portfolio of 5 properties and 11 renovated units, they generate $11,000 a month from renting out their properties. Through filming themselves carrying out various side hustles, one of which was they actually flip furniture, they've generated £9,000 a month from teaching side hustles across YouTube. This is also including like other income streams like selling their own products, doing affiliate marketing, and all these other online streams that combined together has generated them $9,000 a month, about $100K in a year. So what's the lessons learned? Multiply your income streams. Don't solely be reliant on one income stream. As you can see from Jamie and Sarah there, they do quite a number of different things. And as a result of them doing a number of things, they're not just solely reliant on just one income stream. If one of them goes, they've got others to rely on, and they can come at different amounts. Some might be doing better than others at different times of the year or as a whole. So don't be solely reliant on one income stream. Explore various different paths to generating money. Observe what works and double down. As you can see, none of them are really similar. You've got one end of the stream. They're doing property flipping houses or, renovating and stuff like this and, renting them out. But then the other end of the spectrum, you've got like them doing, reselling items from Amazon. And then you've also got them doing like wedding stuff. Then you've got them doing YouTube stuff. So, it's a mixture of different avenues. They're all over the place. They're exploring. But what you can do is you can take a little bit of time to explore, observe what's working, and then you can double down on what's working, and what's not working for you, you can just basically leave that alone. So the action items for today's video are as follows. Explore one new income stream for yourself. So if you've got a job, I dare you to go and explore something that you can do alongside your job as a second income stream. So that could be like we've spoken in other videos, you can get onto Fiverr, or you can get onto Upwork and you can see if you can, offer some services there. 2, learn and implement that income stream. So I want you to actually, before you just jump into that income stream that you've just discovered, I want you to learn a bit about it, see what's the best practices, and then implement that immediately. You don't need to wait to be perfect to implement. I'd rather you just implement as soon as you can and get better over time. 3, observe the results and optimize till success. Now, when you actually implement now, you're going to see, okay, immediately you're not going to be like killing it. So over time, you're going to improve and improve and improve. So your goal is to really optimize your results. So meaning, for example, let's say that you went onto Upwork and you went onto Fiverr and you started doing freelancing gigs. Yeah. Immediately as you put your project up, don't expect that you're going to get a whole flood of people buying out all your services. Over time, they will, but you have to optimize. So for example, you might have to improve your thumbnail or the picture. You might have to improve your headline. You might have to observe, okay, what other people are doing to, generate traffic to that gig that they're selling. See what other best practices you can do. How can you get reviews? How can you maybe offer your services for free initially or at a reduced price to basically get people throughout the door? So, optimize, learn what works, and then basically observe the results and keep on improving and improving and improving. That's how you're really going to, get there. You're only one great idea away from being on the Forbes list. As I mentioned before, this is still true. You're only one great idea away from being on the Forbes list. One of these, ways that you explore could be one of those ways. You don't know which one it is, so just explore. And as usual, like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment below, and I'll give you my 2 cents.